Here I am on the Severn again, in a peg I've never fished before, and with a mate and his son, and we're targeting the barbel and chub, so fingers crossed they'll turn up, and we'll see how we get on. Okay, start the session. Right hand rod, I've got a 2-ounce block end feeder filled with barbel mixed ground bait, hemp and micro robin red pellets, and I've got a piece of meat on a hair rig and a size 8 hook. And cast that about halfway across, 30 metres downstream, and set it down, and bait runner on. And the left hand rod, again 2.5 ounce block end feeder and filled with barbel mixed ground bait, hemp, micro robin red pellets, and I've got 3 8mm robin red pellets on a hair rig, and again it's size 8 hook. I'll cast that 2/3 to 3/4 of the way across into the main float. Set that down, bait runner on, and settle down and wait for the bites to come. Well, fingers crossed the bites will come. Just hope that the chub and the barbel turn up. There's another indication. Yeah, that's a bite. Oh, has it gone? Have I missed it? Oh no, something's still there. I'm going to hit that. Yeah, and there's a fish on. Doesn't feel particularly big. I've had a few of these knocks and rattles and there's been nothing there. Oh, it's a little chub. Greedy little chub. And that's it in the net. Quick unhook. Show it to the camera. Little chub, about maybe 4 ounces. Certainly not much bigger. And we'll just pop it back in the river. And let it go. There it is, gone. And we'll see if we get any more. Still hopeful for a barbel to turn up, but I'm still getting a lot of these little knocks and rattles. I'll give that one a hit. Yeah, and there's a fish on. Only small. Or at least it's a fish. Another chub, slightly bigger than the other one. Bit awkward getting down here to the right level. Taking a piece of meat. As I say, quite a few of these chub rattles and resulting in missed bites or them taking the bait. Just give it a quick rest. Looks strong enough in the net. Hook it out and unhook it. There it is. Pushing 8 ounces, maybe a little bit bigger actually. Very welcome, but I wish they were a little bit bigger obviously. I'm still hopeful that the barbel will turn up. Another quick rest before letting it go. And that's it. Out she goes. Another recast. Small piece of meat on the hair rig. Casting this probably in mid-channel, and maybe the bigger barbel or chub will be out there. Settle down. A little bit of movement on the tip. So a few minutes later, there's another bite. Yeah. Is that a strike? Yeah. Another fish on. As I say, getting plenty of bites. But they're not big. Again, this one doesn't feel particularly big. Similar size to the last one. Maybe pushing half a pound. And into the net. Another little rest. Maybe a minute passed by. Get it out and unhook it. And there it is. Pretty much the same size as the last one. Around about that 8 ounce. Plop it back in the river. Give it another quick rest. And away she goes. Cast again. And see how we get on. We've had our tea and a little walk around and we're into dark now. Yeah, we've got a bite.
Something on there.
Just seems like flies.
Off. Oh, got a fish on.
As my mate said, we've got a fish on.
That'll do. It's the chub.
If the chub's down, is it?
It's glad.
Oh, there's a
Tony out.
Tonne.
Yeah, only small.
See it.
Nothing big turned up yet. And no barbel.
There you go.
And it's into the net.
Time to pack it in.
Most bugs you've ever seen.
I think it probably is the most flies I've ever seen.
Another little chub.
Hey,
6 ounces.
Cheshire.
There he is.
Nice one.
We're going to pack up now.
Mint condition.
Yeah.
Call it a night.
A lot.
Oh well, caught some chub. But unfortunately the barbel didn't show this time. So a little bit disappointing.
A lot of food.
That would do.
But
all those
we'll
flies
always
make
come
a
back
lot of
and
food.
try again.
Yeah.
It's because there's such a big food source.
Why do you think?
Hey, thanks very much for watching. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. So if you did, then please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And possibly help my channel reach a wider audience of fellow river anglers or just anglers in general. Cheers.